Well, good morning and welcome back to another day with Nacho Stuff. We're gonna kick off this morning with a semi-picker here. Pretty nice stuff. This fancy little thing. Whoosh, you're heavy too. That fancy little decor. Oh. I could have hit the snooze about 10 more times this morning myself. I don't know about you guys. There's just days like that. These fancy hots. Dug up a bunch of plants this week. Alrighty. Not too much for a picker, more of a lawner. Let's go. Back on the staples. Morning. How are you today? Good. Have a good one. A radio flyer. What happened to your handlebars, dude? It's kind of cute. Alrighty. Wasn't sure if this has been run or not yet, but the house next door tells me it has not been run. A little piece of extruded. Some food here. Why you throwing away food? Makes me feel guilty when they throw away food, like I should take it. It's a lot of food. There's the other part of the vacuum. We got a vacuum! I didn't think we had one. I thought we had just the pull. New vacuum count. I'm gonna slide up over here. This is what tells me it has not been run yet. What do you think? Would he have missed that? Probably not. And he does, or he did. He's blind as a bat. I've missed stuff like this before though, so. What do we got here? Oh, that's one of those slide pads. Cool. Exercise slide pad. I think they're metal on the ends. Do they have special shoes for that, or you just wear socks? I don't know. Never done before. Come on, bro. Up or down? You're done rusted locked. This is an old washing machine. Oh, it's a dryer. An old dryer, I should say. An old dryer full of monies. We're already making money this morning. Might have to take the back off that one. Might have to take the back off that one before I give it to my guy. How much we make this morning already? Ooh. Come on, monies. Gloves are not good for picking stuff off the ground. Okay. Keep the monies coming. We've got at $1.60 is my guess. I'll let you know at the next stop. Let's go. All kinds of scrappity scrap out this morning. Are you in there? No, you're not in there. No, you might be in there. You might. You're not. Tiny little old egg thing, maybe. This I think will sell, right? Everybody loves gates. Oh, that's sketchy, right? Yeah, that's why he's doing it. Broken. I was hoping he'd be good, because those are not cheap. I had to buy one of those before. Could be good, could not be good, I don't know. We've got ourselves this beautiful chair. Beautiful chair. I'm putting these up front side, look them up. Those wheels don't even move. Oh. That's a heavy chair. I don't know. We're fans of fans here at Nacho Stuff. So make sure to take this moment to smash that like button. Hashtag fan of a fan. Look at these beaten sticks. My kids would love those. My wife would not. One more peeky. Ooh, another 10 dragon. I'm glad I looked. Is this a computer thing down here? No, you're empty. Skills builders. I don't know. I don't know. We're gonna look that one up though. Oh, there's Kevin. Let's go. I don't know whether I told you guys or not. I forget whether I told you or not. That the change from the dryer, which I should probably. Doesn't sound like there's any more in there. $1.86 was in there. I also, at the end of the last stop, we ran into Kevin. So Kevin's gonna run to the far side of the neighborhood, so we stay out of each other's hairs. Which should work pretty good for both of us. Hopefully it's thick over there too, because today's been, or at least so far, has been a little thicker than it's been most of the last week. So maybe the fertilizer has taken hold and the scrap's growing. Let's go. Morning, how are you? You are plastic, you are a gaming chair, and you are a TV. Those are the things we're going to take. Get out of this lady's way. Onward. Another one of those industrial size ironing boards. Wow, he's chunky. I saw this and then I came down here and then I took a double look. I thought it was going to be wood, but she's not. She's aluminum. I thought I got burnt. Keep sliding up, guys. Keep on sliding up. Put him in there. There we go. Let's go. I done slid over a little bit and there's some other stuff here. A can and a laminator maybe? I don't know, it's got a cord. Cord means it's a something. That kind of crate's kind of cute too. But I ain't taking it, I got one of those in my office still. Onward. Not sure about this, but I had to take a gander. Don't know what this red thing is. It might just be a... it looks more like a under the bed organizer thing. Oh no, it's not. What is it? Oh, it's Christmas wrapping paper. It's a nice little tote of Christmas stuff. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. This is craft paper. I really don't need all that stuff, but these ones I won't take because we always have birthday parties for kids. We never have birthday wrapping paper, and I hate buying wrapping paper. Hate it. It's one of my biggest pet peeves. So I tried to find a good old generic roll. I've not successfully bought one. This guy's looking to fly through here. Hear him coming up. We're gonna let him go by in case there's some scoops to scoop. Onward! Alrighty. Ah, you're steel. But they look like the aluminum style, but they is not. We really need to find some more non-ferrous variety with the prices where they are. Hopefully we didn't drop again over the weekend. I mean, they are dropping every place. I watched Scrap and Pallet Man over the weekend and he was down to like 9 cents or 8 cents or $7.75. That's what it was, which is crazy because that's half of what it was for him, I don't know, just 3 months ago. Crazy! Onward! Man, everybody's getting rid of their ironing boards today. This is the third one we found. We haven't seen one of these in weeks, I don't think. We got 3 just today. Wow. Ironing strike hits Florida. Got ourselves a big old TV here. Ooh, it might be skinny. That's not. You're busted too. They probably dropped you bringing you out here. I bet you're heavy. Oosh! I'll bet you're heavy. And you are building walls. All right, let's keep the metal coming. All right. Onward. Well, it's official. Christmas is definitely year-round because we've been finding, we found what, 1 billion pieces last month. We're still finding it in August, and pretty soon it's gonna be that time of the year to start pulling out, start decorating the house again, right? So I'm calling it. Christmas is certifiably year-round, at least here in Florida. We're gonna knock all the staples off the list today. Look at this. This is a lamp that's trying to ruin my day. See this? How it's tilted like this? Someone tried to set me up to break some glass. Not happening today, folks. Not happening today. Onward. Hey, a grill. I love me grills. Don't have to move you up so we can park that guy over to the side. Put him in there, bro. Morning, how are you today? Oh no, a garbage guy. Get through here, brother. Sorry, G-Man. Let's go. Man, we've been finding a lot of TVs, but they're all these chunky monkeys. Where are all the testers at? My TV guy is gonna think I abandoned him. Got something tucked in this box here. Oh gosh, you stinker. It was a metallic box. Oh, it's like, yeah, it looks like a piece of like the shell of like an air conditioner or a junction box, or no, just cardboard, Matt. Oop. This guy's moving cars around. Grab his chair real quick. Oosh. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Oh boy. There we go. Onward. Look at this fancy TV, guys. I'm going to bring you in for the testing process because this one is not only big, but look at it, it's curved. What this thing is, what is this? What are you? That's an adapter of some sort. Put you up front. But we're going to bring you in for the testing process because I need to hook this in the back or I need to protect it, one of the two. So we're going to do a street test. Where you plug in, brother? Ooh. down the other way. This cord's not very long. Still not long enough. Alright. Plug her in. I gotta find a power button. Nope. Anybody see the power button? I see the screen is already cracked. The light is on. I think she's shot, folks. Okay, she's a non-verker. A non-verker. Makes life a lot easier, actually. Not great for money, though. All right, onward. I took a table like this a couple weeks ago. It's still at the house. Nobody wants to buy it. Whoa, that's coming apart on me. Might be time to add some straps. What do you think, guys? Soon. Soon, I say. I think we got a couple morsels here. A little piece of awkwardness net. I think we're gonna have a chair as well. Ooh, look at that. It's like a little goal shot. Ah, keep score. Or something. I don't know. I don't know how to play that game. You guys are saying, take the little tyke swing. Someone will buy that. I bet they will. After it's my garage for 6 months. Not doing it. Not doing it. Not today. Let's go. Not a twofer, just a one-fer. That chair is wood, but this umbrella is not. Hopefully, she's of the aluminum variety, but we're gonna leave that as a surprise. A surprise for later. Not much, but we're grabbing it. I was kind of hoping you were going to be a nice one. About half those beach chairs are aluminum. Half are not. When I first saw these, I thought they were going to be a vacuum that was busted up. These are going to be aluminum vents. These are interesting. We'll take them. And a small deposit for our savings account here too. Dos rotors. Get away from my cabinets. Hope he's doing work there and not eyeing my cabinets. Let's go. You can have them, they're wood. I want the TV though. Morning. It's paint. It's just a TV. closed cabinet for wood. I thought it was a big metal cabinet. It would have been a nice metal cabinet, I'll tell you that. Let's go. There's the vacuum we were looking for. Are you metal? You're plastic. I'm pretty sure you're plastic. You just take this thing all the way off, is that the way it works? Come on, brother. How long is this bolt? Here we go. Yeah, he's all plastic. Collar is not, though. That's probably stainless. New vacuum count. This is the one we were looking for earlier. Here's the aluminum chair. Told you, 50%. Tommy Bahama. Put you in the back. I don't want you to get messed up. This one might actually be decent. Wow. Okay, some noisy lawn guys. We'll call this the bird stop. So I saw these guys and they distracted me from the scrap. So you'll see over here that we've got Mom, Dad, and baby. The one in the back here, you'll see his head, and his beak got messed up. But we got Mom, Dad, and the one in the back. See how he's kind of like got a yellow head or an orangish head? He'll turn red once he gets bigger. He's still little. Wildlife moment of the day. More wildlife. This is what I actually stopped for, man. Look at these cool things. I think the one's busted, but we got Red Hat Society. That's popular stuff. What do they got here? Natural health. Natural remedies. Red Hat Club. I think these were from the bargain bin, but this cookbook probably sells, right? Down home cooking. Cookbooks always do good for me when I sell them online. I don't know about these other things. Food so easy. We're gonna pass on those, but I want these birds. Look at these. One's busted, I think. He works though. I want these birds. I think he's fixable. What do you think, guys? I'm putting these guys in the back. I like these. Wow, I just dropped something. Look at those. Those are really, actually, it just goes right on there, I bet. There's your legs. Oh, those are the spikes that hold him in. That's what it is. Oh, his legs fell. That's how easily they come off. They just need to be glued on there, guys. Those are cool. Look at those. They probably actually move a little bit in the wind. Who doesn't love a flamingo? Come on now. Onward. We're still getting little bits. Get ourselves a beat up table and an umbrella. A two for stop. You'll see that was it a dryer? Yeah, my dryer's gone. Oh, and I didn't pull the back off of it because I didn't have the right wrench to zip that off. But I did shake it some more because I could still hear some more monies in there. And so I shook it, and I shook it, and I shook it, and we got another about $1.50 out of it. So my washer guy said that he was going to take that off my bill, and I said, so you pay me for it, it's technically still mine. So I kept shaking the machine until he paid me. Oh, too funny. Onward. Look at this guy. You could stay here with your leaves. You and my friend are coming. Decor and all. Ouch. Serious bolts in this thing. Onward! Well, we've been searching high and we've been searching low. It's been really light out here for the last bit, but we found some more stuffs. Morning. No, I got it. Thank you though. Uh-oh. Cut on the rail there. There we go. Get over that leg. Get over there. Come on. Alright, that and a strap. Let's go. We'll take a couple more bits. Morning. How are you today? Loading everything from this side. All right. Every last little bit helps. Got loose. All right, let's go. No box of empty, but we actually came here for this guy because you know we are fans of fans here at Nacho Stuff. Hashtag fan of a fan. So make sure to smash that like button if you have not already, because we got another fan, folks. Where we're gonna stick it right here inside the grill. Oh no way, I can't do it in there. We'll have to do it right here in that there hole. let's go. Alrighty guys, we'll be at the yard. I might have to move. These guys were parked dead in the middle of the zone here, so I'm kind of just pulled myself a spot, but once they get out of the way, I'll probably move so I'm not blocking up the whole kit and caboodle. We might be unloaded by then too, who knows? Ooh, self-unload. Yeah, dump trailer. I lost a bolt. Guess what I'm doing this afternoon? It wasn't a bolt, those were where the screws were at. But they were the screws that were in there good. Clearly, they weren't in there that good. But we got all kind of cars in here today. Even have a truck. But the window's already broken on it. How unfun is that? Think we can get this over there? No, too heavy. No, definitely not. That would have been a fun toss though. This one might be able to make it. Not quite. Too low. Drop my clippers. Oh, by the way, no NFJ. What is going on? No NFJ today. Sheffy got the vid. I messaged him to see if he's just positive or funky. I haven't heard back from him yet. So, put them in your thoughts. So either way, it's probably not a whole lot of fun. A little high. Alright, I'm going to slide over. So that way if someone else comes out, it don't look like I'm the jerk that's parked in the middle of the yard. We'll be back in a second, guys. Oh, and a lot of you guys have asked in the past what the hissing noise was. So on the far side of the yard here is where they have the big metal, and they torch it down into smaller size so it's considered prepared. So the hissing you hear is this gentleman here who all day cuts that big stuff down into smaller stuff. So that's what the hissing is when you guys are like, what's that hissing at the yard? That's what it is. All right, you guys can come back down here now. This gaming chair I might keep. Let's see how she looks. It's a wireless gaming chair, but it's a little beat up down there though. Maybe next time. I know. Millions of dollars down the drain. Come on, guys. We're just stuck on. So that's half and half. That goes dirty. You guys stay up there. There's more money on the trailer from that dryer. There's my vacuum port. Whoosh! And what I think is stainless. Let's see. Yeah, stainless. Ooh, these clouds are starting to spit. Come on, Annette. This might be aluminum too, right? Oh, there's a rotor on there. Like, why is this chair so heavy? Steel chair. We should have had more non-ferrous than I thought. I'm going to take the fan off of this one today just to show you guys how many ounces it is. I don't think it's going to be that many. We're gonna keep this as aluminum. I'm gonna break that down, one fan and that fan, and I'll see you over at what would be Jeff's, but it is NFD today, NFD. Alrighty kids, we're weighed and paid. Wait, what happened to NFD? Well, the non-ferrous is back, act up. The same truck, there was a truck that had a dumpster, like a dump truck attached to it, that's been sitting there since I pulled into the yard. So the whole time it took me to get weighed, unload, drive back out, same truck. And now there's like 4 or 5 trucks behind him. So I wasn't waiting. They're gonna be to lunch before I even get to the front of the line. So I'm gonna try to come back later if I can. We'll see how the day goes. I have meet the teacher with 2 more boys tonight. So might not make it back. If I don't, I'm not gonna add anything. So we're just going to go with what we've got so far. And maybe we'll have a crazy day tomorrow because all that stuff will still be here. Or maybe it'll go to the backyard, or who knows. We'll figure it out. So anyhow, what we got paid on today, tin, 1,100 pounds. Still 6 cents a pound, which is good to see. $66. So we'll take it, man. $66. I'm guessing we probably have to have a nice chunk of change back there because we had a decent amount of aluminum. I'm gonna say we probably would have come close to our number. We're slightly above what we're shooting for tin. And we actually had a lot more non-ferrous than I thought we had. A lot of those chairs turned out to be non-ferrous. One of the umbrellas is non-ferrous. And then we have all those vent covers that I think are probably going to count as extruded aluminum, but we'll find out. So we'll either find out later today or tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed the video. We had fun today. We didn't quite find as much as we were hoping for, although the weight's decent, man. I'm surprised we actually had that much weight. So we'll take it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already a subscriber. And as always, remember, it's Nacho Stuff. That doesn't mean you can't take someone else's trash and turn it into cash. So until tomorrow, be safe, be happy, and I'll catch y'all then. Bonus footage, I forgot. I totally forgot about this. David from Pennsylvania sent me another plate. Jeff already has this one, so I'm gonna keep this one for myself. And this is the bicentennial plate too, so it's pretty cool. Just wanted to make sure that you guys know people are still sending in plates. And I wanted to especially thank David for sending this plate in. It's greatly appreciated. It is gonna go to Jeff's collection when he needs it, and when he doesn't need it, it's gonna go to mine, because I've decided that I would like to do the same thing with my garage, because that's be fun. Jeff has inspired me. So thank you again, David from Pennsylvania. And maybe we'll have one more bonus footage if we get back for the non-ferrous. If not, catch y'all tomorrow.